Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PS4 controller to a Windows 10 computer, full guide. Press and hold the PS and share buttons until the light bar flashes. Then open Windows Bluetooth settings and choose wireless controller to pair or plug in a micro USB cable for wired play and automatic recognition by many games and apps. Start by enabling Bluetooth in Windows 10, then set the DualShock 4 into pairing mode by holding PS and share until it blinks fast. Next, open Bluetooth settings on your PC and select wireless controller to pair. If prompted, accept any connection dialogues and wait for Windows to finish setup. After pairing, test basic buttons in Steam Big Picture or Windows game settings to confirm connectivity and responsiveness. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is worth a read as you wait for downloads. The Simple Path to Wealth is a great pick. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Install DS4 Windows to unlock full controller customization and better compatibility. It creates virtual Xbox controllers so games recognize the DualShock 4 and lets you customize profiles for different games. Open DS4 Windows, add a profile, and map buttons, sticks, triggers, and light bar settings to your liking. Save profiles for quick switching and enable vibration control if desired, making the controller feel natural across many titles and apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.